Setting up Azure SQL Query Performance Insight is a straightforward process that provides valuable insights into your database performance. To get started, you need to have an Azure SQL database and the Azure portal access. First, navigate to the Azure portal and select your Azure SQL database. Then, click on the Query Performance Insight option in the left-hand menu. If you don't see this option, you may need to register the Query Store feature, which is a prerequisite for Query Performance Insight. To register the Query Store, run the following SQL script on your database. This will enable data collection for query performance. Once the Query Store is enabled, you can configure the data retention period and the interval at which data is collected. After configuring the Query Store, go back to the Query Performance Insight page in the Azure portal. Here, you can view detailed metrics on your query performance, including the top resource-consuming queries, query duration, and wait times. You can also filter the data by time range, query text, and database object. To get the most out of Query Performance Insight, make sure to regularly review your query performance data to identify bottlenecks and optimization opportunities. You can also use this data to right-size your database and optimize your workload. Best practices include monitoring query performance regularly, analyzing wait statistics, and optimizing queries with high CPU or memory usage. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Azure SQL Query Performance Insight to improve your database performance and optimize your workload. In summary, setting up Azure SQL Query Performance Insight involves enabling the Query Store feature, configuring data retention and collection intervals, and regularly reviewing your query performance data to identify optimization opportunities. By doing so, you can ensure your Azure SQL database is running efficiently and effectively.